Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to discuss the PDA, which is a push down automata in theory of computation. So we have the example which is a power n and b power n here. So we have the example language equals to a power n and b power n. So according to the value of n, we have the input string, which is if we have n equals to 1, then it is the AB. If we have n equals to 2, then it is the double A double B. If we have a n equals to 3, then we have a triple A triple B, and up to so on. So now in our first step, first of all, we have to remember the stack is something which is initially empty. It doesn't have any meaning inside it. And because first of all, we have to remember the stack is empty. It doesn't have any value inside it. So initially the stack is Z0, which indicates the stack is empty. Okay, so this is our first step. You have to write down all the things we have written here so that you can understand the example easily. So as we all know, every example is start from the Q node, which is here, and we have the input symbol. This thing is the input symbol, and the second one is the top of the stack. This thing indicates the top of the stack. Every value which is on the stack we have write down here, which indicates the top of the stack, and this is the present state. On that state we are running out our input string. This is the present state which it indicates, and this is the Z node, which indicates the stack is empty. So after that we will continue the second step. This is the first step we have. So initially, as we have seen, the stack is empty, which indicates the Z node here. So the second step is, in this we have the same state, and the input symbol is now A, because initially we have to take any string. So we will take the n equals to 2, which have the double A and double B. First of all, we will pushing the double A, and after that we will popping out with the help of these two B. So first of all, we have to push the first A. This is here, and the previous symbol in the stack we have to write down here, which is Z node. I will give you some tricks to remember all the things here. So we have to change our state. The previous state is Q node, and now we have to go on the Q1, and now the stack is A and Z node. The stack is A and Z node. Initially it is a Z node, and now we have to pushing the A here. So now we have the A and Z node together. So the stack will be updated. Initially it is the Z node, and now we have to push the A symbol here. So now it is A and Z node together. So we have to write down this here. This is our second step. We have successfully pushing our first A, and now we have to go on our third step, in which we have the Q1 state, because the previously we have to change our state. First of all, we have on the Q0, which is the Q node, and now we are on the Q1, and in this step we are on the Q1, and we are pushing our second A, and in previously we have the A on the top of the stack, so A is here, and we are on the same state Q1, and now we have the double A and Z node, and we are updating our stack, which is initially Z node and A in the previous step, and now we are pushing the second A, which is double A and Z node. So we are start popping out with the help of the two B's. We are popping out these two A. So in the fourth step we are changing our state, which is the Q node, and now we will push the B. So with the help of this B, we are start popping out and changing the state. So we have 2A, and now we have popping out 1A. So now the stack is A and Z node, and we will update the stack. It is a double A, and now we will pushing the A, B. With the help of this B, we are popping out, so it will cross 1B and 1A. So we have the fifth point. In our fifth point we have the Q2, which is the previous state we have here, and the second we are pushing. So on Q2 we have cut out the last A we have, so it is the Z0. So we are successfully pushing our last B, and as we have seen that this B is cut down by this A and this B is cut down by this, and at last we have the Z0 which indicates the stack is empty. So we are write down the last step. Wait a minute. So the last step is here, which is the sixth step. So this is the delta symbol, and the previous state we have on Q2 and the empty symbol and Z0, and now this indicates the empty. This is the final state, and now stack has nothing but null itself, so it is accepted successfully. So this is our PDA. With the help of this push down automata, we are pushing some symbols and popping out some symbols to running out our string. So thank you so much for watching. If you have some doubt, then please contact me with my WhatsApp number I have given in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.